People say SEO is dead, but we all know that isn't the case because it drives so much revenue. The real question is it too saturated? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down if it's too late to start doing SEO in 2021. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. You're probably not going to like the answer. The answer is yes and no. It is too late, and it is also not too late to start SEO. And I'll break down why I'm saying yes and no. So the first part, why is it too late? Well, all the companies with billions of dollars in budget are already doing SEO, and they've been doing it for a long time, at least the majority of the large corporations out there, so it makes it really competitive. And when you look at most niches, they're already dominated by really high authority websites. And you're seeing that these bigger and bigger sites are taking up massive amounts of ranking, even if their site doesn't focus on a specific niche. A great example of this is Wikipedia. Wikipedia ranks for most niches, and it doesn't matter if their site focuses on that one topic because Wikipedia is about everything, yet they still do really well when it comes to any niche, hence they're dominating it. And paid advertising can turn a profit faster. SEO takes a long time to generate results. With paid advertising, you have to end up having a conversion funnel. A conversion funnel is a path that you guide people to get them to convert. A great example of conversion funnels that works is ClickFunnels. It's a software, and they have examples of all the funnels out there that work for different industries, so check it out. It'll at least give you ideas whether you use the product or not. So from that aspect, SEO is saturated. It still works, it's saturated. Now, it doesn't mean SEO doesn't work. It just means you have to be patient and give it more time. It's still one of the highest ROI channels out there. And here's what I mean when I say no, that SEO is still really well worth it. If you start from the low competition keywords and scale up to more competitive keywords over time, but smaller ones that are still profitable, you can do really well. Yes, you may not generate millions of dollars from SEO in year one or anything crazy like that, but it doesn't mean that you can't turn a profit. The second thing is topic clusters really are the key strategy these days when it comes to content marketing. A great example of this is if I'm talking about SEO, I would break down everything related to SEO, from link building to on-page SEO to Google Core Web Vitals and page speed. And even though page speed isn't necessarily a keyword that you would assume is related to SEO, it is because it's a factor within SEO. That's what I mean by topic clusters. Check out the Beginner's Guide to SEO by Moz, and that's a great example of this, where even though the article is talking about SEO, or more so the guide, they have all these chapters that go into other topics that are still related to SEO, but they just want to make sure they cover the whole topic and not just the quote-unquote SEO part. And if I were to do SEO today, I would start off with the keyword ideas report within Ubersuggest. So if you go to Ubersuggest, type in a keyword related to your industry. And once you type in a keyword to your industry, you'll see this report. It'll show you your traffic for that keyword, how many people search for it on mobile or desktop devices. And in the left-hand navigation, you'll see this option called Keyword Ideas. Click on that. And when you click on that, you'll see this report of all these keywords, from ones from Google Suggest or related keywords or question-related keywords that you could potentially rank for that could be good. And remember how I said earlier that SEO is saturated and it's more competitive? Well, if you're logged into Ubersuggest, if not, just sign in, there's this option that says keywords I can rank for that's on this exact report. If you click that and you put in your domain, it'll filter all the keyword ideas on that report and show you which ones are most relevant for you, that are a good fit, that you can rank for. Now, I want you to filter them based on the intent, what's relevant for your product or service that you're selling. By doing that, you're then focusing your SEO efforts on ones that are easy to rank for based on how new or old your site is, based on how many backlinks you already have. Ubersuggest will figure all that out for you and do the equation and come up with the right keywords that you should rank for, but you need to make sure you pick the ones that have the best opportunities. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoy the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. If you need help with your SEO strategy, you can also check out my ad agency, NP Digital. Thank you for watching.